These Christmas trees are so beautiful. And this Christmas tree I bought for the child in the house. It comes with a bunch of songs. It has like 12 songs that it plays continuously. It has the controllers are here. You can control it here. Like I can like do it like, let me show you. Right? Look. You see? It has music. And it has these beautiful lights and many characters revolving around. You see? So this is something that your kids are gonna love. The kids here in this house love it, especially me. I think I'm the biggest kid here. So they have all the characters revolving, right? Or doing something interesting. The lights change, and let me show you how it looks when it's in the dark, because this is one of the things I like to like listen to the music and watch it, and then let me show you how nice it gets. Right, check this out. So imagine the music playing and the lights changing. I can't play the music for you now because I can't, in this platform it's not allowed to play the music, but the music is beautiful and I super recommend it. It's one of the first Christmas ornaments that goes up because, you know, in the bare months, in September, October, November, when we're still anticipating Christmas, this is when I put this up to play the music and get excited about my favorite season of the year. So super recommended. Please, 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 please gift yourself something or give this to someone that loves Christmas so that they can also have some Christmas right now.